Meet the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Xiaomi's most powerful flagship yet. A phone built not just for everyday use, but for the future. With its sleek aerospace-grade design, eco-leather finish, and 6.73-inch WQHD plus AMOLED display, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra combines elegance with durability. Brightness, a stunning 3,200 nits peak, making it one of the brightest screens on the planet. Powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset. This device delivers groundbreaking speed. Whether it's gaming, editing, or multitasking, performance is smooth, cool, and efficient, thanks to Xiaomi's advanced Ice Loop cooling system. But the real star is the Leica quad camera system, featuring a massive 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 50-megapixel 1-inch wide sensor, and 8K video recording. From ultra-wide landscapes to cinematic portraits, every shot feels professional. The phone 5,410 mAh battery lasts all day, and when it runs low, 90-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless give you hours of power in just minutes. Running HyperOS 2 on Android 15. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra brings AI-powered features, satellite connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and next-gen security, built for tomorrow's digital lifestyle. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a flagship experience. Powerful, elegant, future-ready. This is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content.